First things first is we like to soft dry it. That means we want to get it about 80% of the way dry so that this way we can really start styling with our tools. So when we're going for a ton of volume, or which would be with the oval, or if you're looking for the curl of the wands, we're going to do that soft dry up, right? But when we're going to go in and smooth our hair and have a sleek, straight look, we're going to do that soft dry down.
Right.
So I'm going to go ahead and have it on just a low airflow. We don't need a lot. It's on the medium temperature. Right. With it, meaning we want to get those roots lifted. Right. Get right into the root and lift them up. Exactly. That's when we're going for volume. Now try it on the other side, where if you were going to go for a straight look. Yeah, we want to soft dry. We want to go gut. All right, and then show them a little trick on your callus, because a lot of us have hair that pops out a lot. You show them.
Right. So what I do is I slow them down in the opposite direction, like this, so they're not
popping.
Yeah, it's horrible. So before I even start sectioning my hair, I just bring those guys down.
Perfect.
That's it.
Great. So we're going to add the oval. We'll lock it into place. All right. And then generally you'll section, right?
Yes.
Do the back first.
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to do that nape area first. Section it in two. All right. So we're going to do one more. Pull it real high. Get your whole section in there. And roll it in. And now hit your pull switch. And that's really going to set and shine it. Set. And roll out. Hold on. There you go.
Look how pretty!
Enough. Nice. Yeah. And then hit the. Yep. 5 seconds. And then come on out. Get it out, big volume. Boom. Back. And we'll go out to the end and roll it in. Yeah. Get all the ends in. And keep it hot for a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 4. And you want to wind that in. That's how you get all of that lift out of the nova. Okay? So let's finish it all those ends in. Come down so that the oval's standing up. There you go. And hold down through. And then come straight out and back, and it's going to really pop. Look at that. You did it yourself.
I know. It's incredible. And you've definitely taught me some tips that I didn't know, like holding it up, rolling it down with a cool setting, holding it there, and then just like bringing it out. I love it because my hair looks so voluminous right now, and
It's very big.
and I look like I have a lot of hair when I really don't. But look at this. This is incredible.
It's like a pro blowout, and you did it yourself.
I know. Wow, this brush is really, really, really easy to use. Like, look at it already. Look how smooth. Look, I did this side already, but like, this is, I'm actually surprised it's so easy. Look at that. Oh, she's pretty. Look at that. This is so easy. Easy to grab and then just like pull it like this. So I got this up here and this down here. Yeah. I mean, look at that. And I still have a little, but look how smooth, a little bump there. Look at that.
Well, that's very sophisticated.
I
What do
know.
you think?
I love it. And I love this tool because Like, normally when I blow dry, it's frizzy, but look how smooth this looks.
Yeah, look at that brush really helps you get it sleek and smooth and straight.
Yes,
But
no
still
frizz,
like not too flat.
But it's like, look at this. I can't get this with any other tools. Like, this definitely has changed my perspective on how I want to wear my hair now. Look how pretty this is. Yeah.
All right, so when we want more of a defined curl style, so we're going to use the same, now we're going to use the wand. And this one is going in the back direction. Super easy. All you're going to do is get your section, and it's going to just wrap onto here. And you're just going to spin that for a curl. So once you get that on, you're kind of spinning like you were curling it, but it's going to pick up naturally. You just get all done and then get it nice, dry. You can hit the cool switch after about 5 seconds. Cooling it down will really set this curl. Okay.
Oh my God! Look at this curl
With the blow dryer.
That's an amazing curl. Look at that.
So you kind of, you can almost tell when it's dry. Yeah, it'll just take it in. There you go. Perfect. It wraps on its own. And all you're doing is going right down to the roost too to make sure you're getting it nice and dry, getting the sun in there.
This is super easy to use.
And now you can hit the pull switch. All right.
Stop. That was so easy to do. So how much of a section do I want to take?
Like, 2 inch by 1 inch is good.
Okay.
And you're just kind of watching it to dry. You know what I mean? And once you feel that it's dry, you can hit the pull switch. Complete?
This is really useful. Like, I've said this maybe about, but this is the easiest tool to use.
Now go back to your heat setting. Yep.
And even hairs that I don't get right away, they end up going on, which is awesome.
The technology is brilliant. It's brilliant, and it makes it so easy.
And I like the tension on it too. And then,
Take a pull.
yep.
That'll lock that curl right in.
5. I mean, I could get curlier and curlier if I wanted to. Or it could be not as curly, right?
Sure. All right, for the other side, you're going to just hit that to unlock. You just use that part to take it out, right? And then this is the one going in that direction. Yeah, perfect.
Well, I mean, my little ones could use this tool. I'm just saying how easy it is. So I can see that I know it's dry. Let's put the cool on.
Yep.
Hold it.
That's always going to lock that in, and it's better for your hair.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. Okay. Can we have a moment for this curl?
It's like 1 inch by 2 inch, not too big. That's a little big, a little long.
Like this type of section?
Yeah. Yeah.
I love how it just grabs the hair. And I don't have to keep on, And I
All
love
those ends in. Come on out and get all those ends in right then. There you go. There you go. You think it's dry when you hit the secret.
I know, because then I see it drying. I can see it. Hold it on the pool. I'm a professional now. Look at that.
Yeah, you're like a pro.
I know, but this tool is so easy, but I think this one is my favorite.
You like
I mean,
curls?
look at these are like professional curls. Look at this.
And you did that.
Look at, this is amazing. I love this.
Crazy.
Bouncy, healthy.
Yeah,
And like,
shiny.
And now I appreciate my color even more too, because it shows my dimension. Like, look how healthy these curls look too.
It looks great.
This is my favorite.
Good job.
So easy to use.